What's going on, guys? It's your host and the most that guy 583 again. How are you guys doing today? Alright, so I got another funny life story that happened to me recent. It was about like a month ago. Like literally a month ago. Alright, so this wasn't the first time I ever did class, but this is like a recent one that I'm telling. Alright, so this happened a month ago, like I said. Alright, so it happened in math class. There's during sixth period, and they had announcements for people who actually wanted to go fill out an application to go like do homework over the summer, like for a credit for like health or Spanish or art. And so then the intercom lady says, she says this: if anybody wants to go get a packet from the counselor, they can go to do health or Spanish or art for the summer. Please go now. And so then everybody just gets out of the room. Like half the class leaves. There's like 4 or 5 people left. It's more than half the class. It's ridiculous. So I look at my friend, and then I said, yo, let's go. And he said, really? I'm like, yeah, let's go. And so then we go by the counselor's office, and there's like a bunch of people there, like a lot of students. So then I said, nobody's looking, so let's go. So then we go out through the main entrance of the door. So actually we're going through the doors, I see this lady looking at us, and she keeps looking at us like she just like keeps on looking at us, you know? Like she looks at us for a second, and then she looks away to look at the principal, and she looks at us again, and I think she got suspicious of us. So then she stops us, and she says, where are you two going? And then I said this, oh, we're going to band. And she said, you do know that it's 6 periods almost over? I'm like, yeah, we're late. And she said, okay, I'm going to need your names. So then I said this, my name is Zach. And that's a lie. I literally told her, like, my name was Zach, even though my name is Orion. So I say my name is Zach. And then after that, my friend next to me said that his name is Cody. And I start trying not to laugh because the student life is Zach and Cody. And then she's like, oh, really? Your names are Zach and Cody? Like, yes. And she said, that's it. You're going to the office with me. I'm like, damn it. Why'd you have to say that? And so then we go to the office, and then the principal looks at us, and like he automatically says our names, and then yeah. So she already knew that we lied to her. So then he told us to go sit down on these chairs by the office, and we're just like laughing and telling jokes. So then there's another announcement that says that it's over, and that they ran out of forms, and that everybody's going back to class. And so then after that, we're just waiting there, and it's been like more than like at least 30 minutes because the bell already rung for 7th period. So I'm looking at my friend, and like there's somebody in the office that's looking at us. I was like, yo, let's just go again. And so then he said, all right. So we walk out of the main entrance of the school again, and this time we see somebody says to tell us stop. So then we just start running. And actually we leave the parking lot of the school. We started running, and my heart starts beating really fast. And he said, where should we go? I'm like, fuck, I don't know. So we just started running, and then we made it into a Dollar General. So we're hiding in the Dollar General this whole time, like at least for like 10 minutes, and then the police officer comes and gets us. So I ditch my friend, and so then I start running. So after running, I'm thinking to myself, man, where should I just go? So I'm thinking about just going home. So after I'm going home, I see the cop car behind me, and he says, get in. I'm like, are you sure? Like, yeah, just get in. So then I get in the cop car, and the whole time he's just yelling at me. He's saying, what the fuck were you thinking about running out of the Dollar General like that and ditching school? And then he said, I can press charges if I wanted to. And so then I said, okay. And so then he gets all mad, and he says, I can tell the principal to press charges if you wanted to. And again, and then he puts me in the school again, and then this time it's me, the officer, and my friend, and the principal. And then we're like in a group meeting, and he calls our parents to go pick us up because we apparently got suspended. Well, I didn't get suspended. I got in-school suspension, which is 3 days, but I wish I got suspended because that would have been a cool vacation. But my friend, he didn't get that many days. He just got 2, and I got 3, so I just thought that was funny. And so, yeah, that was like recent. So leave a like if you enjoyed, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh yeah, by the way, I didn't get that much trouble at home because, yeah, I never get in trouble that much.